Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we will show you how to remove and replace the drive belt on this GE top-load washer. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tool to complete this repair. We'll start this repair by removing the front panel. To begin, use a painter's tool to depress the two clips holding the front to the top. Pull out slightly after depressing the first clip. Once the second clip is disengaged, the panel may fall forward. Ease the panel down and then pull it up and off of the two tabs at the bottom. And set the panel aside. With the front panel removed, we now have access to the drive belt. To remove the belt, use one hand to rotate the pulley, while using the other hand to push down on the belt, slowly working it off the pulley. Be cautious of the screw protruding from the bottom of the motor as you work the belt off. Once the belt comes off of the pulley, it can be pulled out and set aside. When installing the belt, take note that the grooves on the motor shaft must line up with the ridges on the belt. Get the belt into position and wrap a piece of tape around the belt and pulley. Rotate the belt 180 degrees and place another piece of tape around it. With the belt held in place, wrap it around the motor shaft and begin rotating the pulley while pulling the belt upwards to seat it on the motor shaft. When you reach the first piece of tape, remove it and continue rotating. The belt should be seated once you reach the second piece of tape. You may have to rotate and adjust a few more times to get it perfectly lined up. Once it's in place, we can reinstall the front panel. To install the front panel, simply guide the slots on the bottom onto the tabs at the bottom of the machine at an angle, and rock the panel back into position, making sure it locks into the 2 clips at the top. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.